There comes a moment in your life where everything feels unstable. Relationships shift, money behaves strangely, people fall away, and you start questioning whether you're breaking down or breaking through. What you don't realize is this: you're not losing your life, you're entering a new spiritual timeline, a higher path you were always destined to step into. Tonight, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful signs that your old reality is collapsing because the universe is pulling you into a higher one, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. Stay with me till the end because the last sign hits the deepest. Sign number 1. Your life feels like it's slowing down. You wake up and everything feels paused. Opportunities stop. People stop calling you. Money stops flowing. Your old routines stop working. And you start panicking, thinking you're going backwards. But in spiritual truth, a slowdown is actually an alignment. The universe pauses your reality when your next chapter requires a different version of you. The delay is the recalibration. This is when the old timelines loses momentum and the new one loads. Sign number 2. You suddenly don't resonate with old people. Your old friends feel distant, draining, out of sync. You cannot fake conversations anymore. You can't force yourself into old spaces. You cannot pretend to be the older version of you. You are not removing people. Your frequency is removing what no longer matches your elevation. Sign number 3. Your routine breaks for no reason. You stop enjoying things you used to love. You get tired easily. Your habits collapse. Your motivation disappears. It's because your soul is outgrowing the blueprint of your old life. Your spirit is forcing you to move differently, to think differently, to create differently, because your timeline requires upgraded behavior. You're becoming someone your old habits can't sustain. You need to understand this. Sign number 4. You feel emotional without knowing why. You cry randomly. You feel overwhelmed. You feel everything deeply. This isn't weakness. Most of the people misunderstood this sign. They think they are getting weak, they need to get stronger. No. This is energetic clearing. When you enter a new timeline, your nervous system dumps all the emotions, residue your soul can't carry into the next level. Most manifestor gurus won't tell you. Your tears aren't from pain, they are from transformation. You also need to understand when you are crying. Are you crying out of sadness, out of pain, or out of transformation, or something hit deeply? You're crying just because your soul is saying to cry without no reason. If you want to cry, it's a good sign. Sign number 5. You experience forced isolation. People stop texting, social life disappears. You feel alone even surrounded by others. This isn't rejection, my friend, it's redirection. Isolation is not punishment, it's a gift, it's an initiation. The universe pulls you back from noise so you can hear what your next timeline sounds like. Your clarity grows in silence, not in crowds. Sign number 6. Synchronicities increase like crazy. Repeating numbers, random deja vu, hearing your name in songs, feeling watched over, dreams that feel like messages. This is confirmation. Your guides are pulling you onto a path you prayed for, even when you forgot about that prayer. The new timeline is already active. Your physical reality is just catching up. Sign number 7. Your old life starts crumbling. Things break down right before breakthroughs. Income shifts, people leave, opportunities fall apart, plans collapse. It feels like everything is being taken away. But what actually happening is this: the universe removes the version of your life that can't survive your upgrade. Your old timeline must collapse so the new one can stand fully. It's destruction with purpose. It's chaos before creation. It's your soul shedding a life that's too small. If you are experiencing these signs, you're not lost. I want you to know you're not cursed. You're not behind. You're shifting, my friend. You're shifting. Your spirit is stepping into its next timeline, and your physical world is rearranging itself to match that higher vibration. The collapse is not the end, it's the bridge. Your new life isn't coming, it has already begun.